Okay, so Rashid, let's start the HR for assistant engineer post in Jammu and Kashmir. So
Yes,
first we go with very brief introduction from your side.
yes, sir. Oh. Sir, my name is Agib Rashid Bhatt. I am from district Kulgam of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Sir, I have done my education up 12th class from my own village. After that, I got admission in BTech at NIT Srinagar in the year 2018, and I completed my BTech in the year 2018. Then, sir, I in 2018 itself, I disqualified GATE examination in my first attempt with all India score of 610. And then I applied for MTech in NIT Srinagar, and I got admission fortunately in NIT Srinagar in structural engineering. And I completed my MTech in August last year. Sir, from that time I was preparing for JKPSC Assistant Engineer Civil Examination. Sir, because I wanted to join, rather, sir, I wanted to serve in government civil engineering departments because sir, it has so many reasons.
Yes. So it's a prestigious job for you, Rashid. So you are graduate of NIT Srinagar, right?
Yes, sir.
And then you did PG also from there.
Yes, sir.
So why not from some another place in India, Rashid? Why from Srinagar only?
Yes, sir. I applied in different IITs like IIT Delhi, Kanpur, Mumbai in structural engineering and geotechnical engineering, sir.
Mhm.
But and IIT Roorkee also. But sir, unfortunately, I did not get admission in these two branches. I got admission in water resource engineering in one of the is IIT Guwahati. But sir,
Mhm.
that was very far, and water resource engineering was not my of interest. Then, sir, I opted for this. NIT Srinagar, and also, sir, then I thought that I would get opportunity to prepare for JKPSC Assistant Engineer examination, so I got admitted in NIT Srinagar.
Okay, now you are opting for PWD or Jal Shakti?
Sir, actually both. I have applied for both, and my first preference is Public Works Department, and second is Jal Shakti.
So how your masters will be helpful for you in this job of
Sir,
PWD?
sir, first of all, sir, we have 4 points reserved for MTech. So
Mm.
I will get on pro rata basis. So
Mhm.
and my CGPA is 8.83 out of 10. So sir, I will definitely get 3.53 points.
Mhm.
So that will definitely help me over the non MTech students.
Okay.
And second, yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, and Rashid, now coming to your personal part. So, why do you think you are suitable for this particular job?
Because sir, I have so many characteristics that I would like to share, sir.
Mm.
Sir, over these years, I have acquired vast knowledge of civil engineering, which I would like to apply in the field.
Mhm.
Sir, also, sir, if I will be given a chance, I will definitely work very hard to build my expertise, and
Mhm.
that will be beneficial for me as well as for my department also.
Mhm.
Sir, there are a number of reasons. Sir, one more reason is, sir, sir, one more reason is that
Okay, can you
yes,
tell
sir,
me
yes,
something about your strengths and weaknesses, Rashid?
yes, sir. Sir, I'm strength, sir, is I have, sir, lot of patience and consistency, and sir, I'm optimistic. These two are the strengths at
And
present.
weaknesses?
I can, sir, remember, and these weaknesses, sir, are sir, I don't participate in support so much till recently.
Mm. Okay, Rashid, what if you don't get into this job?
Sir, I have whole focus on this job, but yes, definitely, if I don't get selected in this job, I have other options like, sir, I can apply for PhD in other institutes.
Mm.
But sir, that is my secondary preference. So my present whole focus is on this job.
Okay. And Rashid, tell me, like this civil engineering, you have a lot of things to be done in Jammu and Kashmir in civil engineering domain.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever visited PWD department and realized what are the priorities in that department?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are a number of fields where public works department needs to work very hard, and some of them, sir, I would like to mention here. Sir, first is, sir, Jammu and Kashmir, as you will also be, sir, you also might be knowing that Jammu and Kashmir here, it's a very difficult terrain. We have freezing winters here, and the unfortunate law and order problems here. So due to these issues, sir, road connectivity is not adequate. So this leads to a lot of mobility issues in Jammu and Kashmir. So, sir, I feel that since Public Works Department is one of the departments of this country that has played a very pivotal role in building the infrastructure, whether buildings of different departments, public departments, private departments, and roads. So, sir, and moreover, sir, most of the population of Jammu and Kashmir is from rural areas. And, sir, for the socio-economic as well as political development of Jammu and Kashmir in general, and such rural areas in particular. So Public Works Department has a lot of role to play in the holistic development of Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes. Okay, so let me give you the feedback, Rashid. So Rashid,
Yes,
your flow is good. You are confident, and you are also in position to speak without nervousness.
Yes,
so
sir.
Now, as far as the knowledge and questions are concerned, so you need to predict what kind of question he can ask you.
Yes,
so sometime he might ask you from your masters and your interest, like last question, why PWD? So you rightly said that Jammu and Kashmir is a different terrain actually, and
Yes,
both from the weather perspective, and still a lot of things are to be developed in this state. And after it has become union territory now, maybe this you get some kind of this push in the development of infrastructure, maybe.
Yes,
And that infrastructure development, most important infrastructure for socio-economic development of any region for the
Yes, sir.
people is the roads. And also public works department, whatever you do in public works department as civil
Yes.
engineer, it has direct correlation with the socio-economic development of the region and people.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason you want to take this particular department. So why PWD? Socio-economic development, rural, this infrastructure. So that is the one of the reason why you want to join for that, Rashid.
Yes, sir.
And then rest, I think you have given your answers appropriately. So
Yes,
just
sir.
keep practicing, and the flow and everything is to be maintained properly. Go for
Yes, sir.
technical snaps also, Rashid, simultaneously.
Yes, sir. Sir, will I be having more this HR or only one?
No, there are 5 or some HR are mentioned in your package. Otherwise, there's no limit. You keep on going practicing HR with me, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
It is for regular practice, right?
Oh, sir, it is regularly on 10th at 10:15.
I sit every day, almost every day. But when is your interview, Rashid?
Sir, 16th of December.
So you go for some more 4 or 5 more HRs, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rashid. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.